FCEL is trending up 33%. This is Thursday, the 18th of December 2025. Volume so far is way above average. So the stock is showing a decent amount of strength within a longer term bullish trend. It's 200-day moving average, this one, which was severely bearish before now, is now bullish. Now has gone bullish, I would say, since early this month. Yeah. Yeah, let's see now whether we can get a sentiment behind what is driving this balls around the stock. Let's see. Let's see whether we can get it.
FuelCell Energy, FCEL, is experiencing a sharp surge in attention and price action following an earnings beat that reinforced its positioning as a potential power provider for the rapidly expanding AI data center market. Investors are zeroing in on management commentary, suggesting that the company's natural gas powered fuel cell systems could offer an immediate, scalable solution to the massive and urgent electricity demands being driven by AI workloads. A central theme in community discussions is the practicality of fuel cells technology compared to other clean energy alternatives. Unlike renewable sources that often require grid upgrades or face intermittency challenges, FCEL's fuel cells can deliver reliable, on site baseload power, a critical requirement for hyperscale and enterprise data centers. This has led many to frame fuel cell as a here and now solution, rather than a longer dated energy transition bet. Inevitably, comparisons are being drawn to peers such as Bloom Energy, which has already made inroads with data center operators. Bulls argue that fuel cell's smaller market cap and differentiated technology could allow it to benefit disproportionately if it secures even a handful of meaningful AI related contracts. Any announcement involving hyperscalers, co location providers, or energy majors is widely seen as a potential valuation inflection point. That said, skepticism remains. Longtime investors point to fuel cells' uneven execution history, persistent losses, and prior shareholder dilution as reasons for caution. Some worry that enthusiasm around AI could once again outpace the company's ability to convert interest into sustained, profitable revenue. Still, many view the current moment as different. With AI infrastructure spending accelerating, grid constraints becoming more visible, and demand for dependable power intensifying, fuel cell energy is increasingly being discussed as a company finally aligned with a market that needs what it already offers. Whether FCEL can translate this alignment into durable growth and improved financial performance may determine if this rally is a short lived reaction or the beginning of a longer term re rating.
Okay, so as things stand right now, the extrapolation is saying that it may hold the strength going all the way towards the 16th of January. What are the odds that this will be the case? In the interim, the this steeper incline it has right now, or rather this angle of attack it has right now, given this strength it's showing today, is expected to remain this expected to remain as it is up till Monday the 22nd, and then after that it would begin to contract, but with still with a bullish slant. Okay, the 40-day moving average is expected to rise to catch any attempt to contract. You can see here, the space here is not a contraction. It's more of it's a wide space. It's not for well in the interim. It's not there's no even it okay. There's no tendency to contract. Okay, we can see here the shape is not doesn't give the impression of a contraction imminent. Okay, but at some point it's saying that it may happen. But I really one can really bank on this extrapolation. What are the odds that it's still going to remain strong tomorrow? The odds of that is not very high. As things stand right now, it is also trying to retest its October 14 high. Here we have it as 11.44. The probability of it doing so statistically not very high, but it's also within such very tiny probabilities that we find that previous highs get tested and all-time highs get tested as well, or rather get printed as well. As things stand right now as well, projections are saying 8.51. It's a downward projection. We also have here, we also have a couple. Yeah, that's the downward projection here. The 3-day moving average has a price of 8.98. Okay, 8.98, and then the 40-day moving average has some 7.618. Okay, those are equally downward projections of sorts as well. Yeah, if you're looking for previous projections, we have previous upper projections. We have 12.11, 11 point, sorry, 13.88, 14.98. But the stock has done a lot of splits, reverse splits over the years. So there's ample room to the upside, ample room to the upside. If you think of any upper projection you can imagine, yeah, it has it. It has it. Given that it has, going all the way back to its history, it has, has been doing a lot of reverse splits. So its all-time highs are in the hundreds of thousands. So there's ample room to the upside for the stock. So momentum is expected to begin to moderate, yeah, to the downside in the interim. Okay, at least up to Christmas Eve and Boxing Day. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's have a look at it. Okay, but we could try and see whether buying pressure, what they have been doing, people have been doing it late. Okay, buying pressure has increased. They are buying more surely now. Yes, that's easily what's going on right now. It's the 4-hour chart that might give us a better picture of what's going on as well in terms of what people have been doing in the last couple of hours. Here, contraction is expected to play out. Let's see now. Yeah, from the close of today's trading session, and then from going all the way towards Friday, and then into the pre-market session of Monday the 22nd. Then after that, it's expected to resume the uptrend. That'll be good. Let's see now. Here we have 7.96 downward projection, 7.69 all downward projections. As of yesterday, we had 11.37, 12.62, 13.38. Momentum is expected to moderate, or yeah, consider or just moderate in the interim as well, but may collapse from Monday the 22nd. Okay, moving averages are all the 15 period moving averages, 40 period moving averages expected to continue to print higher prices to catch any pullback that might play out. Yeah, okay. So let's see what how they have been trading in terms of buying pressure and the lack thereof. Okay, so strongly, the positions opened 20, 40 hours ago are currently strongly in profits enormously. Okay, so let's see now. Yeah, they are buying pressure. Let's see. Okay, it has eased off. It has eased off. Yes, yeah, it has eased off. Given, of course, we can see here it has cooled off slightly. Yes, cooled off slightly. Yeah, buying pressure has increased and the pace has equally decreased as well. But it's not much of a worry. What we can equally do is apply the market grid. It might give us a range of prices. The stock has the potential to trade within. Yeah, let's see now. We have up to 11.83. So between 11.83 and 9.53. So any chance we might be able to get its intraday high from here. Yeah, we have 10.9. It printed 10.9 not long ago. Yeah, so that's even yeah, you can see here this is where it printed. So the algos think it can even go beyond that, but the trajectory is to the downside. So the odds of that happening may not be very high today. Maybe some other time. Maybe if anything, expect maybe 10.41 to print at some point. But The extrapolation is saying that he may resume the uptrend from Monday. Who knows? You may if it would advance towards even retest 10.95 and then advance towards 11.25 and probably towards 11.83. So yeah, so see what you make of FCEL, and thank you very much for watching this video.